Okay, so let's double our frequency. Okay, ready? Go, George, faster. Okay. How many waves are on there now? 2, right? Oh, it's hard to do it. George, we gotta get in sync with each other. Just do what you're gonna do, and I'll follow it, okay? Just don't change what you're doing. There you go. Oh, George, you're going faster and slower. You gotta just maintain. There you go. Okay. That looks like 2 waves to me, or maybe it's 2.5. We're moving our hands faster. What happened to the wavelength?
Doubled.
No, the wavelength got half as. When we go twice as fast, our wavelength gets half as long. If it's the same kind of wave on the same kind of medium. So, what's the relationship, Trenton, to frequency and wavelength? As frequency gets higher, wavelength gets lower. What's the relationship? Yes, you said that every say it or else a frog. I said the inverse. Inverse. Like the frogs that laid there. Okay. Okay. My arm's getting tired. Now we gotta stop. Okay. So that's number 7. When the wavelength got shorter, it was because we had an increase in frequency. Oh, number 9 was all the stuff that we were doing with the rope. Okay, so number 10, this is a little bit harder to do. You send a small one, I'll send a big one. Okay, try a small one. You gotta be really like fast with it though, because like you gotta, like get that flick of the wrist in there so there's a lot of action. Okay, now watch. This is it's easiest to see on the ends. So George and I have the best perspective maybe, and people behind us. Send a small wave, I'll send a big wave. Let's see what happens when I say 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened?
Small one looks like it traveled through the big one.
Okay, hold on. Big one dominates the small one. What'd you say?
It looked like the small one went through the big one.
He says it looks like the small one went through the big one. Let's see. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened? But okay, so after they meet, okay, let's just do this. You go to this side, I'll go to this side. We'll have the same. Because the question is, what happens when waves run into each other? Okay, you go here, I'll go here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did they bounce off of each other, or did they go through each other?
Through each other.
They go through. If you're not seeing it, you got to look at it again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see that? What time is it, girls?
9:02.
Okay. So, what happens when waves meet? Okay. When they're on top of each other, they combine to form one thing, but they end up going through each other. On opposite sides, if amplitudes are on opposite sides, or crests, troughs, whatever, the same thing, it's deconstructive interference. And if it goes down to like a straight line, it's complete destructive. And then if they're on the same side, it's called constructive. Let's try to hit that rope again on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to hit you, Will. Can you back up this way? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we did it. That was construction. Okay. Now, watch this. This is important. So this is what happens to a wave after it hits a solid boundary. So you don't move your hand. Watch what happens. I'm going to send it down on Trenton's side. Watch and see what happens when it comes back. Ready? What happened? Can you guys even see what's going on over there? Yeah. Okay, ready? It went from that side to that side. Try it again. You see that? So that's what happens when a wave hits a rigid boundary. It reflects out of phase or on the other side. Okay. Let's see here. Is there anything else on there? Read through that. See if there's anything else that we haven't done yet.
Oh, well, it looks like your side is getting kind of messed up.
I know, it got messed up in the beginning. That's why I need to see what's so stupid. Does it look like we hit everything there, you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, can you walk that down, George, so we don't get this messed up anymore? Because if you let go of it, that's what it messes up. And this already got messed up. I don't even think I did anything wrong. Maybe I did. Okay, keep on. Okay. So better go find Noah and try to go back to the room we got.